Thank you, Mr. President. Magandang hapon. Mr. President, I'll not mention the reasons, but just for the record, I approached you earlier, approached the majority leader. There are some real issues, and I think all of us do want to work together to speed up the work, given not only the climate, but the number of problems affecting the country. People are looking at the Senate, and the minority, of course, joins the majority. In fact, we're willing to up our load in terms of committees, but of course, it's your call. So with that, Mr. President, may I read and then maybe per committee or have an omnibus motion at the end, with your permission, Mr. President.
Yes, we can do that. And thank you, Minority Leader, for the initiative to complete the members of our committees. And like you said, we had a conversation earlier on the various issues that will make the workload more efficient. Maraming salamat.
And the issues I mentioned would affect actually this, but since some of the issues have to be discussed further, we can proceed with this. So, Mr. President,
maraming salamat.
Government, Corporation, and Public Enterprise, 11 members, 5 for the minority. So, Senator Camille Villar for the chairperson, Senator Marcos as deputy, Senator Alan Cayetano as vice chair, ex officio, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Go, and Senator Legarda.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the members are duly elected.
Thank you. For Public Information and Mass Media, 13 members, 6 for the minority. Padilla Robin Hood C is the chairperson. Marcos Maria Imelda Josefa Aimee R. Marcos as the deputy minority leader. Estrada Jinggoy as vice chair. Go Christopher Bongo, Villar Mark, and Legarda Loren, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the members are duly elected.
For Sustainable Development Goals, Innovation, and Future Thinking, Chairperson Senator Pia Cayetano, Villar Camille as Vice Chairperson, Padilla Robin Hood, and Legarda Loren, so 4 for the minority.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, members are duly elected.
For Tourism, Marcoleta Rodante as Chairperson, ex officio member Aimee Marcos, Vice Chair Camille Villar, Legarda Loren, Go Christopher Lawrence, Villar Mark, and Padilla Robin Hood. So 7 out of 15 for the Committee on Tourism, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, members are duly elected.
Mr. President, for Basic Education, recognizing the chairman, Chairman Bam Aquino. For the minority, Senator Aimee, Senator Legarda, Senator Pia Cayetano, Senator Bongo, Senator Mark Villar, Senator Padilla, and Senator Villar Camille.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, members are duly elected.
For the record, that's 7 out of 15. For Higher Education, Mr. President, and Technical Education, chaired by the former TESDA Secretary, Joel Villanueva, Marcos Aimee, Go, Bongo, Senator Legarda, Senator Mark Villar, Senator Padilla, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Marcoleta. So 7 out of 15.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, members are duly elected.
For the Committee on Labor, Chairperson Joel Villanueva, Marcos Aimee, Go, Christopher Lawrence, Villar Mark, Padilla Robin Hood, Legarda Loren, De La Rosa, and Estrada Jinggoy. So that's 7 out of 15.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, members are duly elected.
Sir President, for Migrant Workers, chaired by Senator Raffy Tulfo, Marcos Aimee, Go, Bongo, Villar Mark, Padilla, Robin Hood, De La Rosa, Camille Villar, and Marcoleta Rodante, for 7 out of 15 members.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, members duly elected.
For the Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs, chaired by Senator Lacson, Marcos Aimee, Christopher Bongo, De La Rosa, Ronald, as vice chair, requesting as vice chairperson both Senator Go and Senator De La Rosa. Requesting, no. Padilla Robin Hood, Legarda Loren, so that's 5 out of 11 members.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, members are duly elected.
1 second lang, Mr.
Yeah.
It's been there forever.
Mr. President, for the Committee on Rules, chaired by, of course, our distinguished Majority Leader, former Senate President Zubiri, Legarda Loren, Marcoleta Rodante, Senator Pia Cayetano, and Senator Aimee Marcos.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, members are duly elected.
Thank you, Mr. President, and I commit to keep talking to our Majority Leader over the weekend and yourself so that we can resolve all issues by Monday.
Maraming salamat to our minority leader.